I used to think any exercise was good enough, but bad form can lead to injury. I remember doing squats without really thinking about my form. I'd just drop down and come back up, not realizing my knees were going way past my toes. And guess what? My knees paid for it. Look, if you're squatting, your knees should stay behind your toes. This simple shift can save you so much pain. Now, here's the thing. When I started doing push-ups, I was so focused on getting the number of reps in that I forgot to engage my core. You might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, without that core engagement, I ended up with lower back pain that took weeks to recover from. So, tighten that core before you drop down. It's not just about getting the reps, it's about doing them right. And let's not skip warm-ups. I used to dive straight into my workouts without prepping my muscles. I thought I was tough, but skipping warm-ups can decrease your performance and really up your injury chances. Try dynamic stretches like arm circles or leg swings for at least 5 minutes before you start. Trust me, your body will thank you. So, focus on your form today. Pay attention to those squats and push-ups. It's not just about what you do, it's how you do it. If this helped, subscribe. I put out stuff like this